So I can find a view from outside. So as you are the beautiful part of Belfast is the beautiful part of Belfast. Níbi tán pè ní MAMA BOBO níbẹ̀ ni Anika yọjú sí wọn níbẹ̀. So MAMA BOBO restaurant ní Belfast. Belfast ni Koikimedia wà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí. It's a beautiful place and we are nígbà tá a bá ń ṣe program nílé a máa ń jẹ́ kó yíra wa pé mo kí gbogbo apẹ krọ́lẹ̀ and a very good evening and welcome to Koikimedia Live. Kí ni yàtọ̀ United Kingdom? Òun ni pé ó pín sọ́nà ọ̀nà mẹ́rin fẹ́yìn tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá mọ̀ ó pín sí ọ̀nà mẹ́rin. Ọ̀nà mẹ́rin yẹn mí pé gbogbo tó ń pè ní UK ẹ kọ́ máa gbọ́ UK United Kingdom. In tó fi ń pè ní UK ni pé irú nǹkan tó fún wa ní 1960 tó ní ká lọ máa fi operate òun ni regional government. Regional government ẹni sìn òun ni àwọn kan ṣètì wá ń sọ pé ká padà sí regional government but a lè padà sí regional government because ó ti late. Now ẹ jẹ́ ká wo United Kingdom. Tẹ́ bá wo flag tí ó wà lẹ́yìn mi yẹn lókè flag UK nìyẹn because ibi báyìí is also part of UK. So ẹni tó bá wà níbí báyìí automatically you are also in the United Kingdom. Now láti wá síbí báyìí o need visa. Ẹ gbọ́ mi dáadáa kò ń ṣe fẹ́yìn tẹ́ wà Nàìjíríà o láti ti máa gbé nínú UK. Tó bá ti ń gbé nínú UK domestic flight ló máa fly wá síbí báyìí nítorí pé ó ṣì wà lábẹ́ UK. But tó bá fẹ́ lọ sí Dublin o máa need visa láti lọ sí Dublin because Dublin is a sovereign state. Ó dá dúró. Now bọ́ọ̀sì tí wọ́n nìyẹn pink ní bọ́ọ̀sì tí tọ̀dọ̀ tí wọ́n ti London is red ti Manchester yellow but ti bíbá ẹ rí pé pink ni wọ́n ní language tí wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ ni it is damn too late for regional government. So nínú ṣọ́ọ̀pù MAMA BOBO àwọn òyìnbó náà wà nínú bẹ̀ tó ń jẹ wọ́n ń jẹ ìrẹsì lọ́wọ́ wọ́n ń jẹ jollof rice wa so that means pé interlater fáwọn òyìnbó ó wà mò ń bọ̀ níbẹ̀ yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa United Kingdom. So gbogbo ìgbà tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ UK ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní Nàìjíríà tí à ń ṣàlàyé fún pé ká dá dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí orílẹ̀-èdè. UK nísìn a lè sọ pé ìlú mẹ́rin ló wà nínú ẹ̀. Ẹ gbọ́ mi dáadáa o. Ìlú mẹ́rin ló wà nínú UK. A ní England yẹn níbi tèmi wà tí mo ti máa ń ṣe program tí mo máa ń fi gbogbo nǹkan wọ̀nyí. England ni a ti ṣe rally ní last week ìyẹn England àbọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀ yẹn nísìn.
He's recording now.
Are you recording YouTube?
Yes, on Facebook. But I'm sure Facebook and YouTube. You want to come into the
question I have to say to the United States of America government.
What do you want to say?
Why was the potato famine not investigated enough?
Why was what? I didn't catch that.
Potato famine wasn't investigated enough. I know.
Was not investigated enough.
I heard this from someone.
Okay.
And I need,
I'm sorry about that.
That's all right. That's all right.
ask Mr. American government why.
Okay,
I'm
I'm gonna tell Kistama.
No, but that's between you and I.
That's me and you. All right, you take that. You take that. That's chop knuckle.
Okay.
Chop knuckle. All right. So, all right. So, thank you so much. That is the.
Don't say my name in Irish. You see, my name in Irish means son of king.
All right then.
And one of my school friends was winding me up. Are you related to King Billy?
Okay. All right. Thank you. So
Bye.
now, thank you so much. Now, taban sọ̀rọ̀ nípa UK. Ẹ̀wọ̀ ajá yẹn nínú mọ́tò. Ajá yẹn gbádùn jẹ̀yàn lọ. Now, mo ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa UK. Ṣé rí UK, right? Ìlú mẹ́rin ló wà nínú ẹ̀. A ní England. A ní England. A ní Scotland. A ní Wales. A dẹ̀ ní Northern Ireland. Ó jẹ́ mẹ́rin. So 4 countries ó ń bẹ nínú ìlú kan. Gbogbo population tí a dẹ̀ ń sọ yìí kò tó population àwa Yorùbá. Tí gbọ́n kan tí mò ń sọ. A ní Wales, ẹ ṣe gan ni grammar. So ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún pè. A ní England, a ní Scotland, a ní Wales, a dẹ̀ ní Northern Ireland. Northern Ireland yẹn lèmi wà nísìn tó ń pè ní Belfast. Ó yàtọ̀ sí Dublin o. Even though pé ọmọ ìyá làwọn àti Dublin, ìyẹn ni wọ́n ṣe allow kí border. Mama Bobo ń sọ fún mi nísìn, wọ́n fún mi ní a bit of history nípa ibi báyìí náà. Mọ̀ pàwọn náà ti ṣe a lot of education awareness lé lórí. Now, in tó yẹ kí ìwọ tó jọ ọmọ Yorùbá máa béèrè ni pé kí ló dé tí àwa wá wà ní inú country kan? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni grammar Wales, capital city ẹ̀ ní Cardiff. Gbogbo population wọn ní 3 million. Èmi àti olóyè Gbòho, olóyè wà, àwọn náà wà nínú ibi tí a wà yìí tí wọ́n wá kí Mama Bobo. Now, kí ló wá dé tọ́mọ Yorùbá wà against pé ká dá dúró? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Scotland, Edinburgh ní capital city wọn. So kí ló fà á tí ẹ̀yin fi wá ń disagree pẹ̀lú àwa pé ká dá dúró? Ìyẹn ni kò tí ì yá wa because you wonder why a Yoruba man a máa sọ fún àwa tí à ń mọ̀ pé ó jẹ́ kí a dá dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí orílẹ̀-èdè, gẹ́gẹ́ bí country, pé a ní right, even though pé a ní right. Right yẹn ni pé Nigeria is too big to be governed by by the federal. So, and that was the reason why in 1960 we were given the regional government. The purpose of the regional government was to allow us to manage ourselves until that region was destroyed, the regional government. So, for over many years, they were not operating the regional government that we agreed in 1957 and 1958 that led to the election in 1959. So when a Yoruba man and a Yoruba woman is now saying to Igboho that Igboho should shut up, Igboho should go and sit somewhere, should stop disturbing Nigeria. Now, you want to come to UK. Abibeko, if you have the privilege, you would love to live here. If you don't want to live here, you would like to come and study here. You would like to pay a visit. Now, have you ever asked yourself, why should we want to come to UK that have 4 regions? England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. Why? Àwọn mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin wọ́n wá operate separate as an entity. So when the UK, that is a very smart people, tó bá fẹ́ lọ gbá football, you will now hear, oh, Scotland has their own Scottish football team. England has their own team. Wales have their own team. And then Northern Ireland has their own team. But in Nigeria, within Nigeria, you have to, hello, how are you? I'm not showing you yet. I'm only showing myself. Are you sure you want to go into the camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi. Hi.
So what's the name?
Keelan.
You?
Bella.
You?
Afia.
Okay.
Afia.
Bye. So, well, Bishop Solo. So what I'm trying to explain to us is that the earlier we understand, the better for us, because we are better off to have our own independent country so that we can be able to operate and manage ourselves. But Teban Sokwe, no, Koiki, for Yoruba nation. You are disturbing us. We don't want Yoruba nation. We just want to have, a unity Nigeria. You cannot have a unity Nigeria. It is too late. It is just too late to have one country that has many nations inside it. So our best bet is for us to dissolve Nigeria. Dissolve Nigeria and let us have many countries to come out of Nigeria. And then we can challenge ourselves in economy, in security, in innovation, in many things. But many Nigerians that are gullibles, you will sit down and you will watch England play football. You will watch Scotland play football. You will watch, I'm talking about their national team. But you do not understand that that is 4 countries operating inside one country. I hope that many of you will understand that our quest to self-determination is not a crime. And we will continue to enlighten and educate many people. So I'm going to turn the camera one more time as before we end this broadcast. And as you can see, everybody has the right to self-determination. So what you're looking up there is the English flag. But also, under that flag, we also have, many 4 countries inside. So that is the Mama Bobo restaurant, as you can see there, where we are currently having a great time. But tomorrow, God's willing, we will be having better joined together. Okay, now I've been given the list of some of the, the product that they have here. So if you look at the shop, which is Mama Bobo, if you're in Belfast, rather, in Belfast, some of the things that you can enjoy if you come to this part is Equalby. So Ledo Mama Bobo, and they also have what we call sit-in or takeaway, 407 Hommel Road, BT 73GP, and their contact number you can see right there, where you can have all the authentic, Nigerian cuisine. Whether you are a Nigerian, whether you are in Africa, and you are in Belfast, and you're wondering how and where you want to have a meal, Teba would the other side, I want to enter fish and chips. But Nibiba is African meal. One ta abula, one ta pomwalata, one ta eforiro ati pounded yam, one ta ogbono, one ta okra, one ni ayamashe, one ni ewa goyin ati bread, one ni jollof rice, one ni fried rice. So this is Mama Bobo, where you can have that nice cuisine. And as you can see, that is the beauty of the Yoruba meal. Even though we are still Nigerian under the international law, but until we all come out, you're right. Until we all come out of Nigeria and become a full Yoruba country, then Nigeria, they will have to change it to authentic Yoruba cuisine instead of having the Nigerian cuisine. But because it is still Nigeria, there is nothing we can do until we have our own independent country. So I'm going to go inside and we just, maybe have 1 or 2 conversations with Mama Bobo. Let's hope we can do that. But for now, let me say good evening because it's getting a little bit cold outside. So Akoma ki Mama. So Tebari, that is the Abula. So
Koikimedia.
Can you call Mama Bobo for me? Just for a minute. So it will equal be again. So so the shop we beg in Baba.
That is why gbogbo àwọn oúnjẹ ti wá.
Oya, ẹ bá mi gbé oúnjẹ yẹn dání màmá mi. Ẹ má bínú. Yẹ ká gbé báyìí kákọ̀ just for few seconds. Ọpọlọ ẹ jẹ́ kó sún sẹ́yìn díẹ̀. Mo fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn kọ́ pick ẹ̀ so that mo dúpẹ́ pé aláǹfààní àti rí yín torí pé àwa máa ń like tá bá rí àwọn èèyàn wa tó ń ṣe dáadáa ní outside, you know, it's my first time visiting Belfast, so we are grateful. Irú àwọn oúnjẹ olè ń tà níbí báyìí.
Mama Bobo restaurant.
Ẹ bá wa dárúkọ street yẹn torí àwọn tó bá fẹ́ book yín kankan.
Mama Bobo restaurant in Belfast, Northern Ireland, United Kingdom. Ní Mama Bobo restaurant, we are very happy with our kọ́ rí pé ìjẹ wa tá à ń jẹ nípa a ní àwọn àbùlà ní bá a ṣe ń jẹ ní Nàìjíríà náà la ṣe ń jẹ ní a ní pọ́ọ̀dù tó rà tún lọ sílẹ̀ Ìgbò pọ́ọ̀dù wa rẹ̀ àwọn alápá wà
Ẹ máa kì í sọ ẹgbẹ́ yẹn sílẹ̀ mà ẹ ṣe gan ni mo. Ok.
Èbó kẹ́ ń jẹ́ ká mí ìdíwé nù. Èbó yàtà ńláka. Èbó lẹ́wọ̀n ní yàtà.
So ṣé a lè ṣe eating àti order pé kọ́ wá deliver fún ẹ jọ́ mi pa àwọn kan wọlé tó ṣà ń gbé. Okay. Mo dẹ̀ rí kóòkì wa náà, mo rí fanta wa. Okay. 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 Ṣé ẹ lè fún wa ní telephone number àbí website táwọn èèyàn bá fi order ṣe kọ́lé gbogbo information yẹn. Olóyè náà wá confirm Mama Bobo ni o.
Ló ti ní Koiki. Mo Koiki.
Oya, ẹ bá wa fún wọ́n ti rí i. Ẹ bá wa fún àwọn èèyàn wa ní.
Belfast 407 Omo Road.
Okay.
Belfast the restaurant.
Okay. Yẹn mo fẹ́ ní kẹ́ bá mi sọ torí àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa tó máa ń fẹ́.
Ó wà ní Lisbon Road. It's a popular road ní Belfast.
Pounded yam lọ tún gbé wọlé. Ẹlẹ́fọ̀ gidi olóyè ìgbésí gidi. Kò dẹ̀ wọ́n púpọ̀, ó wà òkè. Price yẹn òkè. Àdúpẹ́ fọlọ́run. Ó cheap àti London wọ́n jù yẹn lọ. Ẹ tún dín wọn lówó. Kọ́ lè máa ní taste of African meal pélé wà. Kọ́ lè rí nǹkan gidi jẹ. Ẹ sọ nípa grocery kan lẹ́ẹ̀kan, ẹ bá mi ṣàlàyé ibi tí grocery yẹn wà káwọn èèyàn wá lè mọ̀. Ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́.
Ẹ máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀.
Yẹ̀mó tó yí ẹ báyìí.
Ibẹ̀ lẹ máa ti rí rice.
Ju dọ́là.
Ok, kò ń ṣe pé wọ́n ti dilute ẹ̀kọ́ tó dé bíbá.
Wàá gba ìyẹmí. Yẹ̀mó làlá. Kò sí wàhálà wà lọ́ra. Wàá gba yìí. Wàá gba yìí lọ́ra mi.
Okay.
Wàá gba yìí.
Ògì wà. Ìtẹ̀fẹ́tẹ̀ àtàtàbùkà. Ẹ̀wà wà. Mọ́ínmọ́ín wà. Mọ́ínmọ́ín ẹlẹ́yìn.
Wow. So that means pé yan ò ní lè miss ilé too much. Sí olúwa ẹ ṣé gan ni ajá máa wọ̀ gbá. So gbogbo ẹ̀yin yan wa màmá bọ̀bọ̀ náà ni a ti fi wọ̀n wá yẹn. Èmi ni Ọláyọmí Kóìkì lórí ètò wa níbi tí bàbá wa olóyè Ìgbòho ní àwọn náà láti yọjú sí ilé-iṣẹ́ màmá bọ̀bọ̀. A máa parí ètò yìí wà á dúpẹ́ fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti gbọ́ wa láti almost 20 minutes. Koikimedia, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Ẹ ṣé gan ni o. Bye for now.